It was the first Monday of summer break in Maplebrook, and Lyla, age 7 3/4, had already declared it the most boring day in history. She lay upside down on the porch swing, her long curly hair dangling toward the floor. "I've done everything," she moaned. "I've drawn. I've danced. I even made a peanut butter and pickle sandwich. Twice." Across the yard, Theo, her best friend and idea buddy, was tightening the screws on his homemade gadget, a telescope that could see inside squirrels' dreams. At least, that was the plan. "Nothing's working," Theo grumbled. "Even my squirrel vision telescope is just showing the backyard." Suddenly, a swirl of colors, red, blue, gold, and glitter, twirled through the garden like a wild ribbon in the wind. It zipped past the garden gnome, leapt over the lemonade stand, and landed poof in front of them. Out popped a tiny chameleon with sparkling eyes, a purple beret, and a sketchbook strapped to her back. "Bonjour. I'm Kiki," she said with a flourish. "Imagination guide, painter of possibilities, and keeper of the keys to Inventa." Lyla sat up straight. "Wait, what?" Kiki did a cartwheel and a tail twirl. "You two look like you've misplaced your sense of wonder." Theo blinked. "I didn't even know I had one." "Well, darlings," Kiki said dramatically, "today, we're going on an imaginative adventure." With a tap of her tail, Kiki splashed her sketchbook open, and out swirled a magical paint portal, buzzing with colors, sounds, and smells. Like cinnamon toast, wet paint, and new books, the trio leapt through. They landed on a trampoline made of clouds and bounced into the world of Inventa, a place where every child's wildest idea lived and breathed. Around them, flying fish wore bow ties, ice cream trees hummed lullabies, and paths wove themselves based on the walker's thoughts. Kiki turned and winked. "Here in Inventa, your ideas become real. But beware. If you stop imagining, it all begins to fade." Kiki led them to Canvas City, the capital of Inventa. But something was wrong. The sky was pale. The buildings, once shaped like musical instruments, had gone gray. The crown of color, the source of all creativity, had been stolen. "Oh no," Kiki gasped. "Without the crown, Inventa will fade into forgetfulness." Lyla stood tall. "Then we'll bring it back." Theo nodded. "With brains, boldness, and a banana." "I'm hungry." Kiki grinned. "To find the crown, you'll need courage, creativity, and, of course, my special Imagino kit." She handed them each a glowing toolkit, a blank scroll that could come to life, a marker that could draw real things, a pouch of imagined dust for emergencies. Their first trial, the sky maze, a labyrinth of clouds where ideas zipped around like fireflies. Each door could only open if they imagined it. Lyla closed her eyes. "What if we add a door that opens with a song?" A golden harp appeared. She strummed, and the door sang open. Next came Puzzle Peaks, where a riddle blocked the path. "What has hands but cannot clap?" Theo shouted, a clock, and the mountain stairs lit up. "Please subscribe. Bye."